I'm hanging this wallpaper. It's right about 8:45 at night on Friday, and I'm ready to call it quits. After I do this next panel right here, I'm done for the night. It's hard. This is hard stuff. This is, if the expert is level 3 and novice is like a 1, this is a 4.
Well, I knew wallpaper would be a little tricky.
Oh man.
Yeah. Bon almost got like some hardcore, like a mural, is that how it's called? On Etsy. I almost got the trees. Can you imagine?
No.
The trees with the little owl would look good. This looks good though. I'm very satisfied with this. The trees though, oh my god, we have to line up the trees and all. Okay, you need my help again?
I got it right now.
Okay. I'm in my PJs, y'all. That's why I'm not getting on camera.
All this would be fast forwarding.
Because all sane people would not, after working all day since 3:45, would not be hanging wallpaper. I worked all day too, but not as many hours as showing. Babe, that looks good. Uh-oh. I am like, wow. I really want to show the ladies, but I'm not. This one's gonna be the secret. This is when you walk in. Wow! Y'all put brick! And my gray is perfect. So classy. Chic. Yeah. I can't wait till my gray sofa comes in. That's gonna be nice. I wonder if I should just go with gray cushions. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back inside.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you.
Let me look at my shower. Whoa, that's nice.
How you doing? Doing okay? The back wall's got a little arch to it, just a little bit. So it's throwing me off a little bit, but not much. It really looks good. For wallpaper, man, I think this area right here is gonna cause me a little heartache because I'm gonna have to fit behind that cabinet. There we go. And a nice little shelf right there. Put some stuff. Gotta make a little noise. I'll have to put a feed of silicone on that damn thing. Hey, you ready to come in the camper, buddy? Oh. Come, let's go in the camper. So it's Saturday. It is... I don't even know what month it is. Let's do that again. It is now Saturday, June 27th. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And what we're going to be doing is, we bought these peel and stick tiles for Backsplash. So I figure we're gonna take our time and we're gonna put them up there. It'll look good. They're real pretty. The material is more of a vinyl material that's printed, and it's got some tape in the back. So I ended up buying some more tape just in case I'm gonna need some. And we're gonna start off, we're gonna put it back here. We're gonna put it like maybe 3 of these high. So 3 tiles high, 15 inches, they're 5 inches a piece. So we're gonna go cut some and we're gonna see what it looks like. Let me show you. You would think that something like this would be easy to do. These peel and stick tiles are complex because you have to make sure, like whenever you're going around objects, like right here, it's not the top or the bottom of the tile, but a section in the middle, because you want stuff to flow across. You can't have mismatched patterns. The same thing when you get to the end. You can't just start at one end and think it's gonna flow all the way across if you don't measure out properly. You have to measure and you have to plan ahead to get your tiles to come out. This one right here, this came out beautiful. And as a matter of fact, I think I might have had 7 little pieces of drop, and that was it. Good morning. It's a Sunday. It's June 28th. And what I'm doing today is I'm just taking a little break, and I'm gonna fly a little plane I just got. Sometimes it's okay to take a break. It's okay to just sit back and relax. And today we're gonna sit back and relax, and we're gonna try to get on video a little plane fly, and hopefully I can get this set up right for you guys. This place has some amazing sunsets and views. Wow, huh? Got Mama taking pictures.
I'm gonna do a daily collage. I mean, I have like at least 7 or 8 different colors.
Our bikes are soaked.
Yeah. This is a real nice place. I'm glad we came here.
Me too.
It is really nice. I like the little bungalows. They're cute. And the cabins. They look cool.
Miss Joanne, this might not be a mixed drink, but it's some coffee.
Miss Joanne wanted you to drink a mixed drink?
Yeah, she said you want to see me sit down, relax, and pop a top. I'll sit down and drink some wine for you later on.